Hello everyone, welcome back to the Furiously Curious Kids, and we are going to do some blends today. We are going to look at the short vowel sound of E. What is the short sound of E? E for elephant. So the short sound is E. Now let us practice some blends with sound. Here we go. I have an easel board, I have a little piece of chalk, and I have a cloth to wipe the board. So I am going to write certain blends, a consonant and a vowel, CV blend. You are going to try and read, and as soon as you read, I am going to wipe the consonant and I am going to add another consonant so that you get enough practice reading and reading and reading. Are you ready? Here we go. What is the sound of that letter? E. Now, if I add a B before the E, how will you read this? B. So, be. Read with me. Be. Now the next one. D. So, de. Fe. G. So, ge. So, he. J. So, J. Next. K. So, K. Le. Me. Next. Ne. Pe. Re. Se. So these are the blends that you have to practice reading every day at home. So once again, what is the short sound of E? E. So go back to the video, read over and over again until you learn. Go back to the A blends also. So now we have completed A and E. Learn reading very quickly and very nicely. God bless you. Happy learning. Bye-bye.